Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I just want to show you the result of another Clickbank product that I promoted. It's a similar result, almost similar result to the product that I recently promoted in my previous video. So if you want to have a look at that video, it's in my channel. So just look for that. I earned $50 promoting this product. I think that's the title of the video. So in that video I promoted a product related to toothache, and then this one I have promoted a product related to bad breath, curing bad breath. So here, this is the Clickbank product, as you see. So this is how it looks, that product, bad breath free forever. So okay, and that is the sales page. And when we scroll down at the very bottom, so the product is $37, so you will get a commission of around $24 as mentioned here whenever you have a successful sale. Now looking at the ads that I use in Microsoft advertising, so if we come here, I ran the ads for like around 8 days until now. It's still running. I'm still running this ad. So as you can see here, these are the keywords that I use, and a total of 103 clicks for those 7 days of running this ad, and we've got 914 impressions out of 103 clicks out of 914 impressions, and we spent a total of 26.48 Australian dollar. So if we go to Google, and here if we convert the total spent for the ads, that's like 26.5. We spent around almost $20 running this ad on Bing ads, almost $20. And then now let's go to the result. So for those 8 days that this ad is running, we've got 2 sales. So as you can see here, so we've got this week it's 49.68, 49.65. So these 2 sales are from my previous video. So if you want to have a look at the result and case study of that video, so just go to my channel. And the bad breath free product is this one. We've got 2 sales, so we click that, go over that, as you can see here. So this got the I got the first sale on the 25th, and I've got the second sale last night, 3/28. So we've got a total 49.65, so almost the same result as the previous one. So this is bad breath free product. So that's around 49.65, and the total spend is $20. So we've got a profit of 49.65 minus 20, so we've got around $29.65 dollars promoting this product. And how did I promote this? So of course I created a landing page using the pagepro.com. So if you want to use the pagepro.com, so it's a free software that you can use to create unlimited number of landing pages. So it's free, totally free, any number of landing pages you create. The pagepro.com is a unique way to generate a landing page. Unique way in a sense that you just need to fill in a simple form and it will generate the landing page for you. So what makes the pagepro.com very easy to use? It's because you don't have to decide the layout that you want to be in your landing page. So it has a uniform layout for all the landing pages that you create. It just differs in the color, in the brand that you are promoting, and the images, and of course the information that you are going to put in the pagepro.com. So very easy. You don't have to spend so much time deciding what will be the converting landing page for your offer. thepagepro.com will do it for you. So you just need to add if you have an existing landing page, so very easy to modify. So just changing some of the information already configured, selecting the correct color of your landing page, and then you just simply hit saved, and it will reflect the changes for you. And if you are creating new landing page from the scratch, you just come here, add new landing page, and then just fill in a simple form. It won't take you more than 5 minutes to set up these beautiful landing pages. So if you want to learn more about the pagepro.com and other functionality that's very powerful for your affiliate marketing, so you just need to click the link at the description below. It has a full tutorial, and it will guide you how to set up the pagepro.com from the scratch. So yeah, check it out. It's free, completely free. No matter how many landing pages you set up, it's all free. You don't have to pay anything. So that's it. Thanks. Let's continue. So just go to the pagepro.com and then register a free account and then start creating. So it's very easy. So it's a simple form that you have you just need to fill in. So this is that form that I use to create this nice looking landing page. So how I did this, I just grabbed the headline from the sales page itself. So I just copied exactly what they have here, put it here, and the image I got it from the from Google, because they don't have any images here that you can use to make a landing page. So I've grabbed that from Google, and then these bullet points, I've got that information from here only. So see here, I just copied some of the bullet points and put it in my landing page. And then of course the app link, as you can see the tracking ID there at the bottom, bad breath underscore Bing. So that's why here in our sales transaction, so we've got that, so that we know that it came from that landing page. Okay, those two sales. And then here I've written a small article here. I didn't write it, I copied it from their affiliate link, from their affiliate page. So here, if you go here in their affiliate page, they have here articles. Where is that? Here. So I grab one of the article and put that in my landing page. So just like this, and then people will come and read some of the information and then go to the offer. So that's how I created this and then the ad itself. So let's come here. So as you see here, I put the bid as 0.35. This ad group, and then the ad itself. Okay, so this one I just added the headline: bad breath free permanently, remove bad breath nightmare, try this method today. And then my landing page URL, and then some descriptions over here. Okay, so that's how I set up the ads on Bing Ads. And then what I usually do is just like in my previous video, I look for a product in Clickbank which is inexpensive. So if you are promoting a Clickbank product that's inexpensive, of course you have to be you have to think of another way on how to gain profit from this amount only. So that is finding right keywords that have low cost amount per click. So how I did that is, again, we go to the keyword planner, and then here we type something like bad breath solution, and we come here, then we go to keyword suggestion, and we look for the keywords that that don't cost too much per click. So like for example, this ways to stop bad breath, so that's 0.54. So for me it's quite high, so I look for another keywords, And before you start looking for keywords, just sort this based on the number of searches per month and start with the highest searches per month. So as you can see here, bad breath remedies 580, 0.52. So I'll grab that. And then let's move on. Bad breath solutions, 300 searches, which is good as well, 0.44. So those keywords that are less than $1 per click, you can grab that. Better if you can find keywords less than 50 cents per click. Like this one, 0.54. This one, 0.52. It's not bad, so you grab it, and it's got 580 monthly searches. So that's really good. Severe bad breath, 0.25. Absolutely, you can take that keyword. And then bad breath causes, maybe they're just looking for some information. You can skip that. But this one, bad breath cure, 270, 0.43. You grab that, and so on. So in that way, you can have an effective ads running on Bing ads that doesn't cost too much. And as you see here, even if I send 100 people on my ads, as you see earlier, I've got 103 clicks over 914 impressions. So those 103 clicks just cost me $26 in Australian dollar or $20 in US dollar. So it doesn't cost that much, and I've got 2 sales, which is I think it's quite effective. So you can do this in any product. So if you want to go for another product like those expensive product that you can profit a lot, so you can also try something like searching for keywords that don't cost too much per click, and then run the ads and send like over 100 to 200 clicks. And if you don't see results, then get rid of that ad, scrap it. So what I usually do, what I recommend is run the ad. If you have the budget, send 200 clicks, 150 or up to 200 clicks, and in those 200 clicks you must see results. 1 sale, 2 sales, then that's pretty good. If you are profiting, then continue it. But like if you are getting, if you already got like 120 clicks or 150 clicks, still no result, scrap it immediately so you won't waste your money. Okay, and again, create an attractive landing page. So you can do that by going to thepagepro.com. It's free and it's easy to create. In less than 5 minutes you can create that. I'll put the link in the description below. So I think that's it for now. So if you want more case study like this, so just follow, just subscribe and like this video, so I can so you'll get notified when I release a new case study like this, and maybe you can get some inspiration of uh, getting idea on how to promote your affiliate links from Clickbank or any other network, affiliate marketing network. That's it for now. So okay, and again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.